Hi folks, and welcome back for today's video. This is going to be just a simple drawing of a cat portrait from a side angle on black paper. Nothing special there, it is just a bit thicker black paper, a white colored pencil, a Prismacolor one in this case, and some bluish highlights for the eye in the end. It is no tutorial, it is more like a speed drawing video, but I hope you still enjoy watching it. And in the very end I've made a clear photo of it, so I increased the darkness of the paper a bit, I eliminated the glare, which you can see while I'm drawing here, so you can see the actual real black and white result in the end of the video. So thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and until very soon, bye bye!